Swagatam guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shikshalo. In this channel, I am providing the contents related to aptitude and reasoning, and I am providing tricks and tips to solve these questions very quickly. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe now so you don't miss any further videos and press the bell icon. So the topic of the day is permutation and combination. So this is a very important topic for your aptitude preparation. What is permutation? A permutation is a number of arrangements of a given number or a letter. So whenever you see arrangement or arranging in the question, so it's related to permutation. So whenever you see the word called chosen or selecting, it's the problem related to combination. So there are two types of problems on this. So one is related to numbers, so one is related to words. On numbers you can get like the repetitions or non-repetitions, or together or non-together, like that. In the words you will get problems on consonants, vowels, together of two consonants, together in all the vowels, or its position related, all the questions. So you know the basic formula of permutation, that is NPR equals to n factorial by n minus r factorial. For combination, it's NCR equals to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So remember these three standard results: NC n equals to 1, NC not equals to 1, NC r equals to NC n minus r. So these are the standard related to combination and permutation. So let's move on to questions. So the first question, how many arrangements? Here you are seeing the word called arrangements, so it's related to permutation. How many arrangements can be made out of a letter, the word engineering? So there is a formula, number of arrangements with P, Q and S letter or repetitions is NPR divided by P factorial into Q factorial into S factorial. So in the word engineering, E is repeated 1, 2 and 3 times. N is repeated 3 times and I is repeated 2 times and G is also repeated 2 times. And here that's it. So those repetitions, with those repetitions we need to find the number of arrangements. So the number of arrangements means in how many possible ways we can mix these letters to form a word, with or without meaning. So they are not specified with meaning or without meaning. So how many ways we can form the word using these letters in a jumbled form. So let's take, so the formula says NPR. So there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 words are there. So 11 factorial divided by, so these are the repetitions. So we need to divide those repetitions, that is 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial. That's okay. So which is equals to, so 11 factorial can be written as 11 into, so 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. So divided by, so 3 factorial can be written as 3 into 2 into 1. So this is also 3 into 2 into 1. So 2 factorial into 2 factorial, which is equals to 4. So this can be written as 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. Okay. So 4 factorial is 24. So 6 4s are 24 gone, correct? So 3 1s are 3 3s are, so 2 1s are 2 4s are. So calculate value. So 11 10s are 110, 330, 1320. So 1320 into 6 5s are 30, 210. So do this value. So you will get the number of arrangements for the word engineering, with or without repetition. So that's it for this question. Let's move on to next question. In how many different ways can the letter of the word daughter be arranged so that the vowels always come together and not together. So we need to arrange the letter of the word daughter in such a way that all the vowels present in it come together. That is, if AI is the vowel, AI always come together. And one more question is, they are always not together. So let's take the word daughter. So take it daughter, DHTR. So the total number of ways of arranging these letters is 8 factorial. So there are total 8 letters. So total number of ways is 8 factorial, which is equals to 40,320. So first we will find the arrangements of vowels always come together. So in the word daughter, there are 3 vowels. So that is A, U and E. So these 3 always has to come together. Always has to come together. So there are 3 vowels. 3 vowels can be arranged in a 3 factorial ways within itself. First you can take AUE, AEU and all those things. These vowels itself can be arranged in 3 factorial ways, which is equals to 6 ways. So the word we need to form is daughter by using all the vowels together, by using the letters present in daughter. So let's take a single possibility, D, U, not U, U is vowel, D, G, H, T, R, and vowels will always come together. So we can consider these 5 letters and all 3 bunched together are one letter. So because those 3 are always together, so we can say that there are total 6 letters by considering this as a one letter, because that's always together. So there are 6 letters can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. So it can give you 720 ways. But in the AUE itself can be arranged in 6 ways. So the total number of ways of arranging vowels together, which is equals to the total number of arranging a word and the total number of arranging the vowels itself is 6 ways, which is equals to 720 into 6, which is equals to 4320 ways. So this is vowels always come together. So if they ask vowels not together, which is equals to total possibility, total ways. So total ways of arranging the letter daughter minus vowels together case, minus vowels together case, which is equals to total ways is 40,320 minus vowels together is 4,320. So if you do this, you will get the vowels not together case. So that's it. So I hope you understand. So let's move to next question. In how many different ways can the letter of the word corporation, so the word is corporation can be arranged so that vowels always come together. So this question asked in SBI bank exam PO, that's in 2011, this type of question. So corporation can be arranged in such a way that, so first let us take the vowels. So vowels are O, O, A, I, O. So there are total 5 vowels. So 5 vowels can be arranged in 5 factorial ways, and there are 3 repetitions of O, so it can be arranged in 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial ways, which is equals to 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial, which is equals to 20 ways. So vowels itself can be arranged in a 20 ways. So let us take a single word forming these vowels together, which is C, R, P, R, T and N with vowels all together. Taking it as a one letter, because those are all together. They will come together, so we'll take it as a one letter at a time. So take these as a 6 letters. So this can be arranged in such a way that, so there are total 7 letters now. So 7 letters can be arranged in 7 factorial ways, and you can see there are 2 R's repeating. So there are 2 R's repeating, so which is, so divided by 2 factorial, which is our usual job. So repetitions, we will divide it by that many repetitions factorial. So there are 7 letters which can be arranged in 7 factorial ways, and which is divided by 2 factorial ways. So you can say that 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial, which is equals to 7 factorial is 5040 divided by 2, so which is equals to 2520 ways. So the total number of ways where ovals together equals to total number of ways of arranging a word with these letters oval together into the permutations of ovals, which is equals to 20. So multiply this by 20, so we'll get your answer. So let's do it. 2 to the 4, 5 to the 10, 5, which is equals to 50,400 ways. So we can arrange a corporation in 50,400 ways such that ovals will always come together. So that's it. This is important question. So take it as a star.